My name is Isabel Riva. I head up a team called Made with Unity inside of a company called Unity Technologies. And we're here today to present a slate of trailblazing content in VR. Today, we described a little bit about what Unity is. We're both a tool maker for creators making interactive content in real time. And we also have an ad network across millions and millions of mobile games where people are able to place ads and expand their brand's reach. We were presenting content that can be sponsored by the brands in the room. We showed off something called Battle Scar, which is a series about New York in the era of punk, inspired by Patti Smith's Just Kids. We also showed off a beautiful sci-fi live-action series that's also in VR called Trinity. And we showed a clip from an upcoming film called Crow, which is voiced by John Legend and Oprah Winfrey. And we also touched a little bit on a beautiful project close to my heart called Evolver, which tells the story of life from birth to death with a beautiful score by a series of talented musicians like the Wu-Tang Clan and Eamon Tobin. So that's going to be produced by Pressman Films, and Terrence Malick is exec producing. We're very democratic. We love supporting independent artists. That was sort of part of our makeup on the game side in terms of where we came from with the game engine. And I think that carries over on the VR and the film and AR side, where we sort of hunt for those, well, both Svengali kind of producers who know great stories and who need support technically in order to achieve them, and also artists who have something very important to say and who want to do it and break new ground while doing it. We're looking for the types of brands who want to be tip of the spear. We want those brands who aren't afraid of emerging media but see it as the future of advertising. So brands who are interested in investing in fantastic content creation in VR and AR, who are interested also in trying to crack the Unity sort of ad network of mobile games.